So I've got the shower glass in there. So I've got to get that into the house. I reckon I can just do, ta-da! Yeah, that was a little bit tricky. They're in. So now I'm going to sort them out, get them into there, how they're going to go, and that'll be a problem for another day. Damn it, that's not how that's supposed to work. So I've put these little brackets here, so these latch underneath. They always apply pressure, and that keeps the, should keep this locked down. I've already wired it up, ready to go. So this is a single phase installation, 32 amp, and I have my Hob switch here, so that can turn it on and off, and I can also switch it on and off with that, which is a 40 amp rated smart switch. Let's see here. Oh, it's got a bit of heft to it. There's that, and this I just need to do something with the cable, which isn't too hard to sort out. A couple saddles. Just magnets on there. Beautiful. Well, my best efforts didn't really work for the grill. I'll show you the evidence of how I know why. Also, there's the casualty. Yeah. Nice. R661 is the main recess light that we've put in throughout the house. So aside from the hallways, all the bedrooms have the R661s in them. So I'll just show you that now. So there, yeah, as you can see, it's sort of a low glare. It's not until you're directly below it that it's actually in your face. Just one more to go. Just that one is the last one to go, and then will be all of the recess lights all completed. So just going to put this on now and turn all the lights on, and yeah, go from there. Bit of an update. So deck is mostly done. Just have a little bit of the perimeter to go, as well as just finishing off the screw lines, so just screwing it all off. Over here you can see this is obviously the outside board, so that there will get cut and that will go all the way through to over there. And then yes, so that will line up with this guy. And then the decision to trim that to there as opposed to doing like a picture frame the whole way around, because I think that might have looked a little bit funny if I tried to do that. Yeah, there's a rippling along there, and that there, and then the picture frame will basically start from here and then carry on around the outside. And it's also conveniently level with that, so you walk out straight onto the deck. Super happy with how that's coming out. It's looking amazing. Cheeky magpie. Hello. Cool birds. Anyway, there we have it. So this part here is 5 meters out from there, and then the other portion is 2.5 meters from the same point. So as an example, if I went, so from here out that way, I'll just probably do this. Yeah, so from here, and then that goes to there is 2.5 meters, and then out to there is 5 meters. And then the lengthways, so this way here, I believe, so the whole house is 22. This will be about 8. And I know that this here is 8, and this part here is probably about 7. So yeah, 7 from there to here, and then another 8 meters to there, give or take. And then around at the front, so the same will happen out here. We've got the 6 posts here. This will be for the entranceway, and that'll go up to basically where the gutter is. And then similarly over there for the laundry. What I'll do is I'll go smoke alarm, and then it shows you the steps, what you need to do.
My ears!